What is an x-intercept for perpendicular lines? Imagine you're looking at a graph and trying to find where a line touches the ground level on the horizontal axis. That point is called the x-intercept. It's where the line crosses the x-axis, and at this spot, the y-coordinate is always 0 because the line is right on the x-axis. To find this point for any line, you take the line's equation and set y equal to 0. Then, you solve for x, which gives you the x-intercept. Now, when we talk about perpendicular lines, these are lines that meet at a perfect right angle, which is 90 degrees. Each of these lines has its own x-intercept, just like any other line. The fact that they are perpendicular doesn't change how you find the x-intercept. It still involves setting y to 0 and solving for in each line's equation. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. For example, if one line has a slope of 2, the line perpendicular to it will have a slope of -1/2. This relationship helps us write the equation of the perpendicular line if we know a point it passes through. Once we have that equation, finding the x-intercept is straightforward. Set y to 0, then solve for x. Let's say you have a line with the equation y equals 2 times x plus 3. Its slope is 2. The line perpendicular to it will have a slope of -1/2. To find the x-intercept of this perpendicular line, you first write its equation, which involves using the slope and a point it passes through. Then, you set y to 0 in that equation. After that, you solve for x, and that value is the x-intercept. Remember, the x-intercept is just the point where each line crosses the x-axis. The fact that the lines are perpendicular influences their slopes and equations, but it doesn't change how you find the x-intercept itself. Knowing this helps you understand how lines interact on a graph, especially when you are working with systems of equations or analyzing shapes like rectangles, where sides are at right angles. So, in simple words, the x-intercept for perpendicular lines is the x-coordinate where each line touches the x-axis. To find it, you set y to 0 in the line's equation and solve for x. The slopes being negative reciprocals just tell us how the lines are oriented relative to each other, but finding the x-intercept stays the same. This is a handy skill for graphing and understanding how lines relate to each other on a coordinate plane.